TradeStation is a comprehensive online trading platform designed for active traders and investors. It provides tools for trading stocks, options, futures, and cryptocurrencies. Here's how to use it. Sign up or log in. Create an account. Visit TradeStation's website or download the app. Sign up by providing your personal details, funding your account, and completing verification. Choose your platform. TradeStation offers different platforms for different needs, like TradeStation Web, desktop, and mobile. Fund your account. Link a bank account. Connect a bank account to deposit funds. Deposit funds. Transfer money to your TradeStation account to start trading. Explore markets and tools. Browse assets. Search for stocks, options, futures, or cryptocurrencies. Use tools like charts, research, and screeners to identify opportunities. Charting tools. Take advantage of advanced charting features to analyze price trends, set indicators, and customize strategies. Place a trade. Order types. You can place market, limit, stop, and other advanced orders. Options and futures. TradeStation provides specialized options and futures trading tools for more experienced traders. Review and confirm. Set your trade parameters and confirm your order. Monitor and manage. Track performance. Use the dashboard to monitor your portfolio, positions, and market movements in real time.